Well, back at it again. Fixing to head out to a trip to the ranch. It's nice and humid here in South Texas still. This will be a little short 2-day trip. It's Labor Day, September 1st in the U.S. So let me show you what's in the trailer. Since it's a short trip, I won't be bringing out the excavator. I've got two 55-gallon drums here, two 30-gallon drums there. We've got 4 rolls of this 4-inch single wall HDPE pipe, which is going to be a sleeve for some poly water lines. We've got some stainless steel manifolds that I got off an old booster pump setup. I bought a stock tank or a water trough for animals, but I'm going to use it as a swimming pool for the kids. Temporarily, later on it probably will be used for animals when the ranch is a little further along. Bought a barbecue pit, but I really just want the lid off of it. I tried to hold out long enough to find a rotten barbecue pit on the side of the road that still had a decent lid, but it's been 5 years and I decided to go ahead and just buy one. Got a little bit of Schedule 40 4-inch rigid pipe down there, metal pipe. Little piece of Schedule 80 PVC electrical conduit. About a 10-foot stick of 4-inch copper, type L. That's pretty much it for the trailer. It's a light load for my standards anyway. We've got a spare tire back here as well, and then another spare tire here. And I've also got repair U-bolts and through bolts for leaf spring on the trailer. You know, pretty much everything that usually breaks on a trailer, I've got a backup for it. So it's been raining out at the ranch, at least as far as I can tell on the radar, so hopefully the pond will be full and everything will be nice and green. We'll find out here shortly. Hopefully be at the ranch with no trailer drama. Well, I made it out to the ranch. No issues with the trailer this time, no blown tires or broken leaf springs or any of the issues I've had in the past. Travel was good and didn't hit any issues on the road. Looks like on the way out here on the 30 miles of gravel road, there's some areas that got some pretty heavy rain, for washouts, I can tell. Some patches are greener than others. Here on the ranch, looks like the creosote bushes are looking pretty decent, so definitely got some rain since last time I was out here. I don't know if it rained in the right spot to fill the pond up though, so fixing to go down there and check it out. I'll give you a quick look around what it looks like right now. It's a beautiful day. You can see some thunderheads growing over here in the distance. This is the road in, if you haven't followed the channel. This is the road that I made anyway, going into the back part of the ranch. You can see these Ocotillo have leaves on it, and they usually won't leaf until you have about an inch of rain. That's a good sign. When they start to have yellow leaves, it means it's been a while since it rained. They're starting to drop them. You can see that creosote right there looks real nice and green, so that's a good sign. So I'm looking forward to making it down to the building and see how it all looks. You see that viscous acacia over there, looks real nice. Well, let me get down to the building and get this trailer unhooked and water in the barrel on the roof and power turned back on, all the good stuff that has to happen so we can function out here. I'll see you on the next one.